Hello and welcome to Mechanic Manager. This is a demonstration of bookings, the booking system. So to get into the booking system, you go on this icon here, booking, select booking diary. And today is Friday and we have all these bookings here on Friday. So let's create a booking for Saturday. Now to create a booking, all you do is you click somewhere on the screen, like it says up here. Click, drag mouse over booking times book. So you click on, let's say, this cell here, 2 o'clock, drag it down until whatever time you want to book the vehicle for, say to there, release the mouse and the booking card comes up. So all we've got to do is put the vehicle details and the customer details on here and maybe what sort of service they require. So we'll select the rego. To select the rego, we'll just type in the first letter of the rego, and there's a few there. We'll select Ford Falcon, the second one on the list. You just click on it. It puts the rego number on there, the customer name, VIN number, month, make, model, etc. We can change the next service date, say 12 months, we'll just click on 12. It can be 6 or 3, or you can use a calendar, choose any date you want. And then all you do now is, you can, if you want to, you can just, that's enough. But if you can put as much information as you want. If you want to say what sort of service they require. For example, in this instance, I'll put major service, which we've already got saved in the system. So we'll type in M for major. We can type in MA, it doesn't matter. Just as long as it finds it. It searches for those the first few letters. So I'll click on major service. It puts it straight onto the card there. And there's a description. If we click on the description, you can see all the details of the major service. You can scroll up and down. Okay, we'll click out. And there it is there. So that's the major service. There's the price. And all you do is you say, or you click on save booking. It saves it. And here it is, this one. Okay. So we've got it booked now. When the customer comes in, all you do is click on it, double click, and we can change the status of the vehicle to arrived, and then just resave it. Update, says you want to update it, you say yes, and it's resaved it, and it turns green. If you look at the status legend up here, green means arrived, blue is left, pink is cancelled, so that one there was cancelled on Tuesday. And that's the booking system. So some of the things that this diary can do, I can move this service here, I can move it to Sunday, for example. Okay, that's all you do. You just move it, you just drag it, you just click on it and drag it. I could move this one here as well to Sunday down here. You just click on it, drag it, and drop it. And now we've got 2 bookings on Sunday, so we're going to open Sunday this weekend. And what else can you do? Okay, so for this booking that came in on Saturday, let's create a job card for it. You right mouse click, and you've got delete booking and delete it, generate job card, generate quote, generate invoice. So we'll select generate job card. We'll start with the job card. And here's the job card with the major service on there. There's the rego, the customer name, all the details from the booking. We can add more parts and labour on here. So I'll type in A, for example, and I'll select an air filter. And you can work on the car and all that sort of thing and put whatever on there. You can do all the other things that the job card can do, like clock times, which can be another video. You can, to see what efficiency, how efficient the mechanics are working and what times they're working and all that sort of stuff. But at its basics, this is it, and that's all you need to do, really. That's what most people do. And then you just save the booking, save the job card. Sorry. Now that we've saved the job card, assume the customer's come back in the afternoon and he wants to pay for it. So we go into the job card, which is what we're in now, or you can get it. You can come in the job card from here. So, but we're into the job card now. All you do is generate an invoice. Click on generate invoice up the top here, and the booking turns into an invoice. There's the invoice with exactly the same details. So the booking, job card, quote, invoice, they're all the same, to make it simple. And you can generate one from the other, basically, if it makes sense. So you can generate a book. You can generate a job card of a booking, an invoice of a quote, an invoice of a job card, etc. And they're all separate items or forms that you can look up later on separately. And they work together, so you don't have to re-enter information, obviously. Now we've got the invoice. Customers come in, let's pay for it. You just go make payment, then big green button down here, and save the invoice. There's a video on invoicing, but this was a video on the booking system, and that's about it. So I'll go back to the booking diary, and here it is here. So we can change the status of this booking here to we double click on it, bring it up, we'll change it to left, and then save it. And there it is in blue, so that one's left. He's left now, he's gone for the day. And that's your booking system. That's a weekly view. We can do a day view. So today is Friday. See how that's in yellow there? Today is Friday. So if I look at the day view, even though I've done one on Saturday and worked on it, but today is Friday. So we'll have a look at the day view. You'll see Friday. This is Friday, the 12th of May 2023. There's a few mechanics there. We didn't assign any bookings to any mechanics, but you can assign a mechanic jobs if you want to. We just left it unallocated, just as a general booking. If we go back to the weekly view, that's the weekly view. You've also got a monthly view. Okay, so there's your monthly view there, and there's the weekly view. And bookings can overlap, so we can have this one there. So there's two bookings there, they're sort of overlapping, and yeah, that's the booking system. Thanks for watching.